This is the Milwuakee 2981-22 cordless grinder kit. Comes with two XC 6.0 batteries, so it has very good runtime. It uses 4.5 to 6 inch grinding accessories. This one has a slide button, and it does lock. Comes with a side grip that you can put on either side. Comes with a blade guard too, but the neatest thing, I've never seen this before. I thought this was pretty neat. It does come with a wrench to change the blades, and then there's a button here that locks the spindle, and you put the wrench, the pins of the wrench in the holes of this accessory nut. But it also has this black half circle on the nut, and this is pretty neat. I've never seen this before. To be fair, I don't really use grinders a lot. I do own a couple other grinders, and they don't get used that often. So on the top is the button that locks the spindle in place, which you would use when you're using the wrench, or you lift this up and you could just twist it by hand. To get the nut off, and then you'll pull this nut off, this spacer too, when you're putting the blade guard on, and then you could use this again to tighten it down, and holding the button down, and then once you get it nice and tight, fold it back down and you're ready to go. I thought this was pretty awesome. I've never seen that before. I don't know if any other tools that have it